I'm going to try and lose 40,000 euros as fast as possible in the stock market. I have lost a lot of money in the stock market while I was trying my best to make as much money as humanly possible. And while I was making one of WallStreetBets videos, it occurred to me that usually people who want to do the same thing lose everything. And the most common advice is to just not do what you've done, or in other words, inverse your trades. So instead of trying to inverse my trades, in my genius I decided to inverse the whole concept and try to lose as much money as fast as humanly possible in the stock market. Oh, and obviously this is fake money. I'm not that stupid to try this with real money, even if I had 40,000 euros. On this platform I can trade CFDs on stocks, futures, indices and options. What is a CFD, you might ask? Well, it's a contract for differences. Or in other words, it allows me to trade set financial instruments with an insane leverage. For example, 1 to 20 on the US Tech 100 futures. But it comes with a small fee if you hold positions overnight. So we're naturally not going to do that. To make things more interesting, I'll set myself some rules. I have 5 trading days. I have to make at least one trade every day, and I have to set a stop loss and a take profit on every trade. Stop loss and the take profit have to have an equal percentage gain and loss. So if I set a take profit at 10%, I also have to set a stop loss at negative 10%. However, I can close my trades whenever I want throughout the day. But if the trades are still open at market close, I have to close them manually. And the speed run is complete when I lost 99% or more. So when account value drops below 400 euros. And if you're not already subscribed, it would mean a ton to me if you just press that button. It's free and you'll help me out a lot in reaching my goal of 200 subscribers. Thank you. Okay, so today is the 22nd of September of 2022. It's around 11 AM, so we have around 5 hours until the market opens in my time zone. So for example, I can buy US Tech 100 futures with a leverage of 1 to 20. So if I spend 40,000 euros, I could buy around 800 euros worth of these contracts. Options have a little bit smaller leverage, they have a leverage of 1 to 5, and these options expire on the 28th of September, so 6 days from now, which obviously means they're quite volatile and they're the best way to lose money. In one of my previous videos I said that I think that the stock market wouldn't drop below this line, but from what we've heard yesterday from the Fed, I'm not so sure anymore. Previously we have bounced off of this support level, but I think that the market is going to continue dropping below this line, which means that if I want to lose money, I have to buy calls. So I have to buy as far out of the money calls as I can, which are these calls with a striking price at $11,900 and an expiration date on September the 28th. And because I said that I have to set a stop loss and a take profit, obviously we're going to set a stop loss at the lowest point possible. So 99.99% loss. We have to set a close profit at the same percentage gain. Okay, that's perfect. That's it, we have 22 open positions and each position has 0.44 options. Yeah, so let's say I bought 10 call options on Nasdaq 100 with a striking price at $11,900 and an expiration date on September the 28th. Now I just have to set stop losses and take profits. Okay, so that's it. We're currently down by around 9.5k. So yeah, I guess we'll see what happens. And we're back, the stock market just opened and we have already closed most of the positions. As you can see, just today, in a couple of hours, we have already lost more than half of this account. We're down by around 20k and we're left with around 19.3k. And right now our unrealized loss is at around 9k. Oh yeah, and all of those closed positions closed because of margin call. You can see the close reason over here. Every single one of them got closed because of margin call. Already down to 13k of unrealized loss. And we're getting really close to getting one of our positions margin called once more. Our maintenance margin is at 5.3k and our equity is at 6.2k. So when this number drops below this number, one of these positions is going to get automatically closed. Oh, it happened, actually even more of them got closed. Yeah, just now. We lost 6k. God damn, okay. Yeah, we're down by 27k. Next margin call is at 3k and we're currently at 5k. And 7k of unrealized loss. I honestly thought this would be way harder. I imagined that if I wanted to lose money, I would unintentionally make a lot of money, but I guess that wasn't the case. Yeah, we're getting really close to getting margin called once more. Only 1k to go. One more position got margin called. This one over here just got closed 3 minutes after the previous ones. A loss of 2.3k. We only have 3 more positions opened, 300 euros more, and we're getting margin called one more time, and then it shouldn't take us long to lose the rest of the money. Okay, no, actually never mind, we just got margin called one more time. Only 7.5k to go. Yeah, I think we're going to bounce back up, so I'm going to close these positions and buy put options. So I have to buy these puts now. We're going to have only one position open because we don't have enough money. Now we wait. We're back, and as you can see, all the trades were closed. So right now we're down by 38.7k in total. Okay, so I think that we're either going to go flat or we're going to slightly rise. So therefore I have to buy puts, because if I think we'll go up and I want to lose money, I have to obviously buy puts. So let's go all in on these put options. So this trade should get us to margin call to around 610 euros. Okay guys, we're back, and as you can see, that last position also got closed because of margin call. And this means we only have 600 euros to go. So as we can see, it looks like the market is slowly bouncing back up, which means we would once again have to buy puts. And I think these puts would be the best to buy right now. It's all going according to the plan. I'm gonna make a quick switcheroo, close this trade for a slight profit, but that won't deter us from our goal, and just simply buy call options. Furthest out of the money call options we can get. And we are back, and as you can see, the last trade got closed at 8:20 p.m. So 1 hour and a half until the market closed. Once again, it got closed because of margin call. So right now I'm left with 305 euros and 57 cents, which means that I have lost 99.3% of my account. I opened the first position at 11:19 am and the last position got closed at 8:20 p.m. So it took me just 9 hours to complete this challenge and lose more than 99% of this account. I honestly didn't think I would lose everything so fast. I know I was trying to lose money, but for some reason I thought that it would take me at least a week, and I guess all of my trades went according to plan. But now I wonder, if almost every trade went according to plan when I was trying to lose money, would every trade also go according to plan when I would try to make money? Well, if you would like to see me try to make as much money as possible, smash that like button. And right after you've done that, you have to check out the video that just popped up. And if that is not enough, smash the subscribe button, as you'll help me out a lot in reaching my goal of 200 subscribers. If you have any questions or recommendations, leave them in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.